Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Hot funnel with flexible hose. Ooh, it's really awesome because at your standard workshop you will need such a kind of funnel in so often different options. Here it's possible to use it for all liquids. For example, refuel, oil, or water for the wipers, for example, or brake fluid, etc., etc., etc. Or you can use this funnel for beer too. It's no problem. Wine, etc. But the main features are here. For me, this funnel will be my funnel for oil change. Okay. It comes with a flexible hose, and this flexible hose is awesome to refuel your petrol, for example. Okay, because this flexible hose can make that this funnel will get the fuel, and because of the flexible hose, it will go in a nice shape until you refueled your petrol, for example. Filling with all standard workshop liquids such as oil, fuel, or brake fluid. The funnel made of polypropylene. It's flexible spout made of polyethylene too, with stainless steel filter. That filter is the last or the first stop for some dirt, for some gravel in your fuel, in your liquids, etc. The funnel diameters are 165 millimeters. The length, including the hose, is 480 millimeters. The weight is 0.15 kilograms, and the filling capacity is 1.2 liters. Because this is a nice dimension. Because if you are refuel your petrol, for example, you can measure up a little bit before you get it in position. Of course, it's better to look how much oil you have to get into your engine, and it's really easy because it's a filling capacity 1.2 liters until it's full. Okay, that means if you are going to the first circle there, it's around about 1 liter. Then you can, after topping up some oil or liquid, etc., you can disassemble it. As you can see, of course, the filter you can replace. Maybe there was so much dirt in the oil, so much gravel in the fuel. Then you can replace that filter easily, as you can see. It's good for cleaning because if you change some liquid, so to start with oil, then go to petrol or to washing water, etc., then you can disassemble it and clean it before reusing. This is really awesome, and it is made out of really good materials, and it's reliable because it's from Hazat. This is the Hazat 198-1 funnel with a flexible hose, and you can see it's really easy to use. Here, a good shape, a good quality, and a good color. I find the color type is really cool. Oh yeah. So that is the funnel with flexible hose for replacing your oil easily. The filling capacity is 1.2 liters, and it's for all standard workshop liquids such as oil, fuel, or brake fluid. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.